In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enter and exit trades on Tradovate through TradingView. By the end, you'll be connected to Tradovate inside TradingView, place entries directly from the chart or order panel, and confidently manage and exit your trades. First, connect Tradovate to TradingView. Open TradingView. At the bottom of the screen, open the trading panel. From the list of brokers, select Tradovate, then log in with your credentials. Wait for the connection status to show that you're connected. Note that you must have a Tradovate subscription for real-time data for trading to function. Now let's enter trades. On the chart, look to the top left for the buy and sell buttons. Click one to open the order entry screen. Here you can review the symbol, order type, quantity, and any protective orders before you send the trade. Well, you can also place orders directly from the chart. Right-click on the chart at the price level you want. Choose a limit or stop order at that exact level. A limit order sets your price to buy below or sell above the current market, while a stop order triggers once price reaches your chosen level. You'll see the order line appear on the chart so you can visually confirm the placement before it fills. If you want immediate execution, select Market in the order type. This sends a buy market or sell market order at the current price. Use this only when you're ready because market orders execute right away and can fill quickly. Before entering, you can set up ATM strategies in the order panel. These are templates that automatically add your stop loss and take profit as soon as your entry is placed. In the order panel, configure your custom stop loss distance and take profit targets. Confirm the quantities and offsets match your plan. Setting this now means your risk management is applied the moment your order fills, so you don't have to add stops and targets manually under pressure. Next, let's exit trades. To close a single open position, go to the bottom of the screen and open the Orders/Positions tab. Find your live position and click the X button next to it. This sends a close order for that position. If you're unsure, pause for a moment to confirm you're clicking the correct symbol and side. The close will flatten that specific position. If you need to get flat immediately, use the Exit at MKT and CXL button on the chart. Click it once to close all positions at market and cancel any pending orders. This is an emergency flatten, so only use it when you want everything closed right now. You'll see your positions clear and working orders disappear. You can also manage exits visually on the chart. If you have working limit or stop orders, click and drag the order line to a new price level to adjust your exit points. Release to place the modification, then confirm the new price on the chart and in the Orders/Positions tab. This is helpful for tightening stops as price moves or for moving targets to lock in profits. Make small, deliberate moves and double-check the order label so you don't drag the wrong line. From here, repeat the same process as needed. Use the order panel or the chart to place entries, apply your ATM strategy before sending the order, and then manage or close positions from the Orders/Positions tab, the Exit at MKT and CXL button, or by dragging your orders on the chart. Keep an eye on the connection status in the trading panel and on the symbol you're trading to make sure you're placing orders on the correct market. At this point, you've connected Tradovate to TradingView. You can enter trades at market or with limit and stop orders, and you can exit and manage positions quickly and safely. Your trading workflow through TradingView is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.